We're here at the Susquehanna Middle School. We kick off the Art of Preparation Tour. This first group is going to be all 8th graders. We got 3 different groups happening right now. We're going to make sure that they're all focused on attaining excellence. We're going to make sure that they're locked in, where they're mentally understanding how important education is, physically understanding how to protect their bodies, emotionally how to believe in themselves, and spiritually believe in the higher power. We're going to be locked in, man. We're going to make sure these students is locked in on preparation and sticking to the formula. Stay focused, remain humble, and keep working, keep working, keep working. Art of Preparation Tour. If you ain't got your students locked in with this, you're missing out, I promise you. In life, you have to understand you have to put in the work in order to get the results. So there's no way around putting in work towards obtaining a dream or a goal. I need 10 people to say a dream or goal that they have in their life. Write a book, okay? Go to college, be successful in their career. 8th graders currently already have a great dream and goal in mind. I'm able to travel all over the world, and I'll get the 8th graders, and a lot of them don't have a dream or goal in mind. There's no way around it. Like, we all as adults, parents, teachers, and coaches here, we all have been through the path and journeys of life that you all are going to go through. So what I want to do right quick is break down a little bit of life for you guys in the next about 10 minutes here, 15 minutes here that we have. Fold our paper into a 4, okay? Yep, 4, so it's 4 pieces. What I want us to do is make sure that we create a pledge, we create some different ideologies about ourselves so that can carry us through the rest of our lives. I remember being in 8th grade like it was yesterday.
My name is Kayani.
And Kalia.
And I felt very inspired by B. Majors because I want to be a lawyer when I grow up. And I just felt inspired to be dedicated to what I want to be and don't give up.
I want to be a OBGYN, and I want to pursue basketball, and I felt really touched by his speech.
When B. Majors was talking was like learning about how to be successful in life. And I really want to be successful in real estate agency, and I want to play college basketball.
The thing that inspired me by B. Majors is that being successful in life and getting pro at basketball and stuff like that.
Hi, my name is Sarai, and I feel inspired by his speech because I feel like I can pursue my dreams, and I feel like I can be better at being what I want to be when I grow up, which I want to be a OBGYN, and I want to be better at basketball.